Hey, I'm Javi from Diploi, the easiest and fastest way to launch new applications online. How quick and easy? Well, let me show you. Just go to our homepage, and from here, scroll down to the section where you can pick your stack. In this case, I will choose React Bit for the front end, Bond for the back end of my application. Let's keep Postgres and choose Redis, and that's it. We're ready to launch. We give it a couple seconds to set up the environment and launch the application online. And that's it. Now our environment is run. Every application launched using Diploi requires minimal to no DevOps. So things like SSL certificates are handled on your behalf, and you don't need to set up custom continuous integration and development pipelines, as these come by default set up for you when you use Diploi. Use an example. You can see here our front page, which is SSL protected by default. You can also set up your own custom domains if you want, and they will also get SSL protected without you having to do any of the work. On top of this, you can also code directly from your browser without having to install anything on your computer or connecting via SSH using VS Code. We will go to the page of our deployment, and this is a development environment, so I have a browser ID. I can start developing directly from my browser. I can do live changes to our code. So for example, in this case, let's change this to test. Now that is saved. And we have hot reload. No need to wait for build. Everything works from the get-go. And Diploi also give you a way to manage your different deployments for your application. So in these cases, we have a development environment. Let's say we want to create an additional one, say staging environment. And we want the server for that one to be smaller. Is as easy as choosing the size. You can customize the environment variables as well. And we're ready to deploy. Just with one button, you're done. From the same view, we can enable or disable the deployments that are active, and we can just launch a new one as well. Let's launch a production environment. Let's choose a bigger machine, and we're set to go. And it's that easy. You can try Diploi for free, no credit card required, no registration required. You get 50 euros in credits to try out the platform. And if you want to register, all you need is a GitHub account. So check it out. Any questions you have, just come to our Discord channel or send us an email at hello@diploi.com. See you around.